Hi! In this video, we'll learn how to set up the Facebook login. So, let's begin. First of all, log into your Opencart admin. Let's head to the social login extension. Now, let's head to the social login extension. Click on extensions. Click on extensions again. Now, select modules, and as you can see, BlueCommerce social login. Click on edit over here. Now, as you can see, we have entered our extension. Click on Facebook, as we need to set up the Facebook login. So we already have the title, the icon image. We just need to set up the Facebook app ID and the Facebook app secret key. So let's begin. Click on the provided button and it will take you to the Facebook developers page. You don't need to get into the detail what's the developers page, just follow the instructions. Here you need to click on add a new app, and if you are not able to see this, click on the image in the right corner and click create app. Here in the display name you can enter Social Login Pro, and the contact email ID you can enter your email ID. Now click on create app ID. It's asking me for a security check, and we have successfully completed the security check. Now click on submit. And now it will take you to a new page. Here you need to select the first option, Facebook login. Click on the setup. Here we need to select the type of application for which we'll be using this Facebook login. So as we already know, we'll be using this for our Opencart website. So we'll select web over here, website URL. We'll again copy the URL and paste it and click on save. It's getting saved. Now let's click on continue. We don't need to do anything with this, just click on next, next, next. That's it. Now click on settings and basic. Here you need to fill in some details. Enter the app domain, the domain name of our website basically. Now privacy policy URL. Let's go to the website. Privacy policy. This is our privacy policy URL. Terms of service URL. This is our terms of service URL. Choose a category, that's also important. We'll choose shopping, as Opencart is mostly used for shopping purposes only, so we have selected shopping. So business use, support my own business, and just click on save. Other options were optional, so you don't need to fill in all of them. That's it. Now go to the Facebook login and click on settings. Here what you need to do is you need to enter the valid auth redirect URL. So the valid auth URL which you need to enter while setting up your Facebook login is mentioned in the description. There are two links, one for the people who are using Opencart 2.x and other link for the people who are using Opencart 3.0 or above. As I'm using Opencart 3.0, I'll use the 3.0 link. So I have entered the valid auth redirect URL for Opencart 3.0 and above. and rest. Just leave them as it is. We have saved the settings. Now, very important, don't forget to switch on. Just click on confirm now. And now your login as Facebook is ready to be used. We just need to enter the Facebook app ID and Facebook app secret in our app. To find that, click on settings and then basic. Here, this is our app ID and this is our app secret. So first of all, let's copy the app ID and paste it in the extension Facebook app ID column. So let's paste this. Now go to this app secret, click on show, copy this and now paste it over here and then save the extension. Now let's go to the website and check whether our login with Facebook button is working or not. Let's click on login and click on login with Facebook button. And as you can see, it has redirected us toward the Facebook page. As I'm not logged in, so I need to enter my Facebook username and password. And let's click login. And there we go. We have successfully logged in via Facebook in our Opencart website. That means all the settings which we did are 100% correct and login with Facebook is working. So I hope every step is clear to you, and if you have any query, you can raise a ticket or go through this video again. Thank you very much.